love that. Such a flavorful morning nga ang magkakaroon ng ating mag-breakfast goers.
Sarap,
Oh, nasubukan mo na ba?
Hindi pa
Hindi
eh.
mo yun? Sige, subukan natin yan mamaya.
Yes,
Okay,
please.
sabay-sabay.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Oh, I love that. Diba? Meron dito only at McWest. Pero I also want to ask, more focusing on the flavor. Paano naman na-inspire yung recipe natin on the creation of the golden curry fillet with egg? What sparked this creation for you at McDonald's?
So in McDonald's, we have a very iconic product, which is the McDonald's chicken fillet.
Amen.
It
Yes.
is already the standard for the country, right, when it comes to chicken fillet. And then we launched the curry sauce a few months ago. And after we launched it, curry became a very quick favorite for the Filipinos. So we thought, how do we make it even better? Or how do we push the flavor experience better? And then that's when we thought of being inspired. We were inspired by omurice in Japan. And so what we did was we used the really strong chicken fillet and our new curry sauce, which became everyone's favorite, and decided to add egg with it for breakfast. So that the breakfast experience really is a lot better with all of these flavors and the different textures of the crispy fillet and the fluffy eggs really combining for your breakfast.
My goodness! Nakaka-excite na tuloy. I can imagine all the parang medyo new but still familiar taste hearing that description, Sir Ibes. But syempre, I want to go naman, of course, to our celebrity guests who are here to join us in the fun. Palapakanan na natin sila, guys! So exciting! And siguro gusto ko simulan kay Alden.
Uy!
Uy, kumusta na? Real talk, real talk. Have you already tasted the golden curry fillet?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
of course. Ayun, okay. So, sorry guys, meron silang pa-advance kasi. Pero,
Ay, hindi,
if
wala pa
ever-
yung egg.
Wala pa
I
yung
mean,
egg.
the actual curry chicken.
Curry chicken. Pero wala pa yung with egg.
Wala pa yung with
Wala pa yung egg. O baka a new addition, new flavor.
Alden,
But,
ngayon dadating yung egg.
perfect!
Really?
Oh, halika na. Hindi, biro lang. But I know you have been reacting so animatedly since earlier.
Tulog-palo nga ako, sorry guys, this is my prime. I mean this time, itong time of the day.
Morning talaga,
actually, yeah.
perfect.
Yes.
Now, gusto namin malaman, what was your first impression when you first tasted the golden curry fillet?
Actually, for some reason, because we have a store in Binyan, so
Shout out, Laguna Friends!
sa Binyan Highway. And then, sabi ko, ano tong bago? Sabi ko dun sa MD namin. And then, I asked him to send me the new product. Tapos, for some reason kasi, ewan ko, huling-huli talaga. Kahit nung chicken fillet alaking pa lang, when it started, yung flavor ng sauce kasi yung magdadala sa curry talaga. So, when I tasted that, sabi ko, okay, ito masarap, matamis. Pero sa dulo, andun yung anghang, which is not that, yung kick ko, sipa lang siya, hindi siya talagang overpowering. So eventually, nag-experiment na ako with the sauce. Trinay ko na siya sa McChicken, ginawa ko na siyang dip ng McNuggets,
Oh!
nilagay ko na siya sa, kasi meron akong Alden's combo when it comes to McDo eh. So I order a quarter pounder with everything in it. Tapos I order 6-piece nuggets, kakainin ko yung 3 pieces. Tapos yung 3 pieces, lalagay ko sa, I open the bun, I put it on top. Then before kasi, barbecue sauce. Ngayon, trinay ko yung curry sauce and then I press down on it. So it's like an Alden special quarter pounder. So that's how I do it. So ganun, ang daming use ng sauce. Kaya lang, I don't know how long it will last, Ives, pero sana patagalin kasi type ko to eh, so far.
Meron bang pa-reveal on how long? Will it stay for a while?
It will be here for a while.
Oh, wow.
Sarap ah.
And guys, if gagawin niyo yung yung secret recipe ni Alden, can you also tag him, Alden's, ano yung tawag mo doon?
Alden Special. Pero actually
Alden
guys,
Special.
for everyone's knowledge, there's a secret menu po ah. You just have to ask your tama di ba? Parang
McDonald's branch.
McDonald's, let's say sa drive-thru or sa counter, ilalabas nila yun. Since it's a secret menu, hindi talaga siya nilalagay sa normal menu ng mga stores. But if you ask for it, they will show it to you. Dami dyan, surf and turf, double chicken sandwich, what have you. Surprise.
Sa lahat ng branch na yun.
Sa lahat.
Ayun yung if you know, you know.
Yes. Search
Wow.
nyo sa online, secret menu, lahat ng McDonald's. All over the world meron nun.
Wow.
And can I just say, alam ng mga guests natin today, and may I also mention how perfect you three are. And alam na alam nyo talaga. Alam na alam nyo talaga yung mga secret recipes, secret orders for McDonald's menu. So maraming salamat for sharing that with everybody. Guys, can we give a round of applause for yung susubukan nyo ang secret menu. Diba? Nakakatawa. But as we are also speaking with busy people here, di ba, in the celebrity world, hindi lang kayo nag-act. You also run your own businesses on the side. A very holistic life, if I may say. And I want to ask Barbie and David, how are you able to fit in your breakfast time, lalong-lalo na with your life on the go, and how does this yummy, delightful meal fit in your mornings?
Good morning po muna sa ating lahat.
Morning.
Good morning. Happy World Egg Day, Mommy.
morning,
Good morning,
Barbie.
Mommy. Good morning naman sa inyo. Okay, ang tanong, paano nag-fit ang breakfast po sa aking daily routine? Well, definitely, lalo pagka may taping, ano yun parang treat na yun sa sarili ko, especially if I know I'm gonna have a long day. Parang, I see to it na mag-drive-thru muna ako to get a breakfast from McDonald's kasi nga alam ko, kumbaga parang treat ko na, reward ko na yun sa sarili ko kasi nga alam ko magtatrabaho ako that day. And so, McDonald's never fails naman to give me a treat. And now, sabi ko nga, kailangan natin matikman ngayon yung ito yung may egg kasi ang na-try ko lang yung
Yung wala ring egg.
curry fillet, golden curry fillet pa lang. So, baka naman po,
Mamaya, let us taste that. Para
oo,
kompleto.
diba? Pero yun, para sa akin, very sacred, kumbaga, ang breakfast. Kasi parang, it starts your day, it starts your mood, ganyan. Parang, dun babase yung magiging energy mo, or at least, I'm speaking for myself, yung energy ko for the day. So, I usually have heavy breakfast. Katulad kanina, kasi nandito na ako so nauna na akong umorder ng ng sausage, egg McMuffin, tapos,
Classic.
yes.
Oo.
Pero ang confession ko kasi, hindi ako masyado sa hash brown, mas fries.
Pares
I eat it
tayo.
with fries. And so, ayun, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. And tama ka, hindi makukumpleto ang Filipino breakfast ng walang itlog.
Yes.
Malaking bagay talaga ang itlog. Kaya I'm very excited to finally try the golden curry fillet with egg. At saka, I like my egg scrambled kasi. So, I'm really excited
Oh,
about
yes.
this.
Nakakatuwa no? Kudos to Sir Besset team for having the option. Scrambled, sunny side up. I love that. So for you, scrambled.
Yeah, scrambled talaga.
I love that. Thank you, Barbie.
Thank you,
And
Steph.
parang nag-breakfast na siya, no? So kailangan mahawa tayong lahat kay Barbie. Let's go!
Yes, let's go!
Yes.
This is what McDonald's breakfast does to you
Ganun!
Yes. Energy!
Exactly. Guys, can you hear a big yes for breakfast?
Yes!
Yan,
Alright!
perfect.
Entry level.
Alright, okay. Pero syempre now that we have heard Barbie, let's go to the other half of Barda naman. Let us hear David.
Yes.
David, tell us how your morning goes and how this breakfast meal fits on your on-the-go morning life.
First thing I do in the morning is mag-workout. Tapos, matry ko yung mga morning routine ko and then mag-breakfast ako na masarap. Kasi syempre, I feel like kung masarap yung breakfast mo, you're gonna have a good day. Diba? So, ayun, yung ginagawa ko.
And then syempre, ikaw ba gaya ni Barbie, do you do a drive-thru? Gusto mo bang nag-take ng slow morning moment at your McDo branch? O,
Wala akong McDo branch, pero
Oh.
ano,
Coming soon.
coming soon maybe. Yeah, pag minsan ko na may taping. Syempre, minsan nalalate ako. Ay, madalas ba?
Sorry po, sa mga nakikinig.
So mag-drive-thru na lang ako para hindi masyadong mali. Diba? So,
Oh, I love that. And guys, also, plug ko na rin yung McDonald's application natin. Order early! Para less late, lalo na yung mga friends natin na may corporate work dyan, di ba? Fast on-the-go meals.
Corporate person.